spend all day lying on the couch, walk in your boxes round the house. Look at your pale, ugly face, enough to make a mirror break. More half asleep and half awake, complaining that your body aches. Feeling sorry for yourself won't get you anywhere. So I'm singing you a happy song, just to cheer you up when you got it rough. So I'm singing you a happy song, just to cheer you up. I know how it sucks. Yeah, I'm singing you a happy song, but it can be that bad. Why you look so sad? There's better times ahead.
Waking up in the morning and to be well. Quite honest with you, I ain't really sleep well. You ever feel like your train of thought's been derailed? That's when you press on, lean in. Half the population just waiting to see me fail. Yeah, right, you better off trying to freeze hell. Some of us do it for the females, and others do it for the retail. But I do it for the kids, life through the time we're in on. Every time you fall, it's only making your chin strong. And I'll be in your corner like Nick, baby, till the end. And when you hear a song from that big lady, until the referee rings the bell, until both your eyes start to swell, until the crowd goes
kita dapat membantu warga Kuningan Timur, terutama RT 10 RW 4 agar lebih maju dan lebih baik dalam ruang lingkungan, pendidikan dan kesehatan.